Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our crypto education series from the Doric network. Today, we're exploring Etherscan. Let's get started. What is Etherscan? Etherscan is a block explorer for the Ethereum blockchain. It lets you view transaction history, check wallet balances, and analyze smart contracts, providing transparency and insight into the Ethereum network. Key features of Etherscan: transaction tracking. Enter your transaction hash, TEX ID, to see details like the amount sent, sender and receiver addresses, gas fees, and transaction status. Wallet balances. Enter an Ethereum wallet address to view its Ether, ETH, and ERC20 token balances. You can monitor your own wallets or check others. Smart contract interaction. View and interact with smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. You can see the contract code and interact with its functions if allowed. Block details. Explore individual blocks to see details like block number, timestamp, miner, block reward, and the number of transactions. Gas tracker. Get real-time information on gas prices to help you choose the optimal gas price for your transactions. To use Etherscan, simply enter a transaction hash, wallet address, or smart contract address into the search bar. You can then view detailed information about transactions, wallet balances, and smart contracts. Tips for using Etherscan: save frequently checked addresses. Narrow down searches by date range and transaction type. Check the Etherscan blog for new features and updates. Thanks for joining us in this lesson on Etherscan. Stay tuned for more insights and tutorials from the Doric network.